And so the approach we actually took initially with Matt and then eventually with our client delivery team was to look through our task tracking tool and to sync that with Boast's platform. And then they actually have algorithms built in that we're able to start analyzing the contents of all of those issues or tasks, and to then be able to try and identify which ones were aligned with the different projects that we created for our SR&ED claim, and based off of that, confirm their eligibility, and based on that, we were able to then link them with the developers or engineers that were working on those features, and to then build out their time allocations and to work out the position of the claim, and I think that's a process that was very convenient for us because it didn't require us to duplicate our work. We didn't have to separately keep track, of timesheets and all this stuff. We, managed our projects as we normally did, and then when it came time to prepare a SR&ED claim, essentially just added this layer of Boast to all of the internal tools that we've been developing internally to streamline that process. And in doing so, actually, we were able to strengthen the position of our claim, because all this is very defensible. I mean, it's, we didn't have to fabricate any of it or prepare any of it for the SR&ED claim itself. It already existed, and it was deeply entrenched in the way that we do our work. And so that was there from the beginning. And their client delivery team was great at finding the right context to define the project and to define the opportunity, and to really build out that position, because a lot of these features or these these things that we're developing, when you look at them one-on-one, they look so far apart, but the team at Boast really did a good job, but building the whole picture together and telling a story, which I think is quite important when comes time to actually build that claim. And I think that the success of our claim reflected that. I'm extremely grateful for this program, and we'll definitely continue to take advantage of what it has to offer, and it allows us to also take on all of this technological uncertainty as a business too, right? Because if we didn't have access to these kinds of resources and to this kind of support as a business, we wouldn't be able to take on that technological uncertainty, and we wouldn't be able to build out some of these features and these projects that are very complex and are very daunting, and we would stick to what's easiest and what's been done before and tried and tested, and then we wouldn't be innovating. And so I think that's it's always important to align yourself with the right people and the right partners, and for us that's been Boast.